Hey there, here's how to upload and host a course/product in FlowChat. First step is to click Daily Flow, then click Products, then click New Product. Type in the title of your product, the price, and then if you want this product to show up on the left-hand menu, then click this box. If you want the product to appear in a different name than the name that appears under your product area, then the display name should be typed here. I'm just going to stick with the same name, but you feel free to change it if need be. Then I'm going to click Save Changes, and my new product will show up here. So you have the name, the price, how many customers have access to this product. So it's just me for right now. If you need to edit, click this pencil and then delete it with this icon right here. Then you are going to scroll down. You can find it under Test, which is my product name. And then if you want to add a module, modules are a broader topic, and then lessons will be the supporting topics that go underneath the module. So for example, I'm going to click Add New Item. I'm going to create a module right now. This is a little ninja hack. So lessons are sorted by title, which means if you want it to go in like 1, 2, 3 order, this is the time to write it out as a 1, 2, 3 order. So I'm going to write module 1. Let's do module 1, get started. But then the title that I want to appear on the left-hand menu, I just want to say get started, so it's a bit cleaner. I'm going to click Save Changes. If I click under my products, now we're going to have that first module pop up. Here is how to create a lesson that will support this module. Just click Add New Lesson. Type in the lesson name, so it could be like intro. If you want it sorted by title, then you could go like 1, that, and then 2, 3, 4 as the lessons go down. Hinges. Perfect. So now we have our first lesson underneath this module. If we click into here, you'll be able to add all your content. I will be going over how to add content in the next video. But let's go back to module 1. So you could go here, and it could be a second lesson, whatever your second lesson is going to be. Great. So now we have the first lesson, second lesson under this module. If you need to create a second module, then you would click Add New Item. This would be module 2. Let's just do this one, module 2, importing leads from Sheets. And this would just be the menu title, like I said. So this one would be importing from Sheets. So this is the ability, this gives you the ability to make it a little bit cleaner on the left-hand menu. But if you still want it to have the 1, 2, 3 order, which you can control, then this would be the time to write it in where lessons are sorted by title. So I click Save Changes. And as you can see, now we have module 1 and module 2. And then the lessons that support this big overall umbrella module would be added under here.